G'day. So with AI search, it's more important than ever to get super clear on who your ideal target market is, because unlike with Google, you don't want to be like coming up for something like Real Estate Sydney or something like that. That's not going to be what people are asking ChatGPT. So you've got to think about what are your ideal clients asking ChatGPT and talking to ChatGPT about. What are their problems that they're getting ChatGPT and other AI tools to solve? So you've got to be more specific. So thinking about whether you're serving people selling property or buying property, or people looking for commercial property real estate, or whether they're buying their first home or upgrading their house. Each one of those different types of customers is going to have very different conversations. They're going to be asking ChatGPT very different kinds of things. And so you need to be more specific about who you serve and how you serve them, and make that crystal clear, not just on your website, but on other profiles, directory listings, your social media accounts. All of that needs to have a clear and consistent message about who you serve and how you serve them. So you want to be answering the questions that your ideal customers are asking, not going too broad and general with your marketing, or with the traditional SEO is a bit more broad, going for keywords that people might be searching for. With AI SEO, you've got to be more conversational and specific to exactly the right people.